Hello friends. So today I'm going to answer some commonly asked questions about this iCloud storage on the channel, and even if you don't use the iCloud storage plan, this video will help you to understand the upgrade and downgrade process. So let's begin with the first question. So Jade Mitto asked why I can't see the change storage plan, and I bought the 50 GB $1 a month and it's still normal, not 50 GB. See guys, if you're facing issue something like this, simply log out of your iCloud account on your iPhone and sign in again, and you should see your upgraded plan right away. Now Zaharan Zayan asks, when I press on downgrade options, it doesn't let me go in. I click and the button doesn't work, doesn't let me go in. Is there a solution to that? Please reply ASAP. See guys, if you're facing issue something like this, simply tap on downgrade options, wait for few seconds, make sure you're on Wi-Fi, and this will definitely work. It's simply you have to wait. It will not happen immediately. You have to tap and you have to wait, and this will work. The next question from Vinisa is, if I delete my backups, what exactly am I losing? See, you're losing the backup in iCloud. That will not affect your data on your iPhone. So it's just a backup. It's a past data that was backed up in iCloud. You're going to delete that data. So it's not going to affect your future data. It's not affecting the data that is there on your iPhone right now. So you can delete your iPhone backups anytime you want from iCloud and take new backups. Miranti says, I buy already 50 GB, but why always full photo and video? See guys, 50 GB may or may not be enough for you. If you have a lot of photos and videos on your iPhone, if you're shooting in 4K, if you're shooting in 1080p 60 FPS, the size of the video is going to be higher. So if you're backing up everything in iCloud, 50 GB may not be enough for you in such situations. So you have to go in your iCloud settings and you have to see what app is using how much data, and then you will understand why your iCloud is getting full every time. And I personally feel if you have older photos and videos, you should keep them in your external hard drive or computer. Only your new photos and videos should be in iCloud, so that you will have backup of new photos and you will save some iCloud space as well. Joy says, when I click change storage plan, nothing happens. See guys, here also you want to press on the change storage plan and you have to wait. It takes around 2 or 3 seconds, then only it enters into the next section. So it's not like you press on it and it will take you to the next section. Press on it and wait, and also make sure you're on Wi-Fi. So that will definitely work. Vaughn says, when I downgrade, can I still keep the photos and videos on my phone, or will they be deleted? I have a new phone and there is enough storage, so I want to cancel my storage plan, but I don't know where the photos will go. See guys, when you have iCloud photo library on your iPhone, you have two options. You can keep the optimized copy of your photos and videos on your iPhone, or you can keep the original copy of your photos and videos. If you choose original copy of photos and videos to be kept on your iPhone, you can definitely turn off the iCloud photo library first, and then you can cancel your iCloud storage plan. So your photos will stay on your iPhone. So don't worry at all. You can definitely download all your photos and videos from iCloud to your iPhone or maybe PC, and you can then cancel your iCloud storage plan. It will not affect your photos and videos. Noor says, this iCloud backup will free up some space in storage iPhone or not? See guys, your iPhone storage and iCloud storage are two different things. You have iPhone like 64 GB, 128, 256, 512 GB iPhones, whereas you have 5 GB, 50 GB, 200 GB and 2 TB iCloud storage. Now, just by buying iCloud storage, it will not free up space on your iPhone. There are some settings that you want to do on your iPhone that will free up some space on your iPhone. For example, if you have photos and videos, you can keep only the optimized copy of those photos and videos on your iPhone and original copies in your iCloud storage. So this will free up a lot of space on your iPhone. So this is the major app that takes a lot of storage on your iPhone. You can upload all your photos and videos to iCloud and save some space. But just by buying iCloud storage, it will not add any storage to your iPhone. You have to upload your data to iCloud, and not everything is uploaded to iCloud. So keep that in mind. Roblox says, I say I have it, but when I try to downgrade it, it says, oh, already I have 5 GB, but on the storage it says 50 GB. See, it means you have already cancelled your 50 GB plan, and on your next billing date, you'll be back to 5 GB plan. So no need to worry, just wait until your next billing date and you'll be back to free 5 GB plan. Noor says, if I am buying a new phone, can I buy additional storage and back up all the data, and once I get my new phone, I restore the backup and downgrade the plan back and then delete the backup? Can it work like this? Yes, absolutely. That's how you should do it if you don't have a computer. You buy iCloud storage, back up all your data on your old iPhone, sell that iPhone, buy new iPhone, restore your data from iCloud on that iPhone, and then you cancel your iCloud storage plan. So you're paying for only 1 month for that upgraded storage, and you're getting all your data from your old iPhone to new iPhone. So if you don't have iTunes or computer, you can definitely do this and buy iCloud storage only for 1 month. Doming says once you make the adjustment to free or 50 GB, will Apple still charge you the 2.99 when it expires on that billing date? See guys, once you cancel the iCloud storage plan, Apple will not charge you anymore. From the next billing date, your iCloud storage will be back to 5 GB free plan and you will not be charged anymore. Brian asks, when I try clicking on the change storage plan, it won't go in, it just stays in the same page. See guys, you want to press on it, wait for few seconds, make sure you are on Wi-Fi and this will work. Dilanta says, I use 10s Max 250 GB. After I upgrade and deleted iCloud data, will device data delete? See guys, when you delete data from iCloud, it depends what data you're deleting from iCloud. Most probably it will not affect the data on your iPhone. But if you're deleting photos and videos from your iCloud which are synced from your phone, it will definitely delete photos and videos from your iPhone. But if you're deleting iCloud backup, this will not affect your iPhone storage. So it depends on what data you're deleting from iCloud. If it is just iCloud backup, this will not affect your iPhone storage. Jivijivijiviz says, hi there, I would like to ask, if I upgrade my iCloud storage to 50 GB on my old iPhone and I back up my WhatsApp, then I restore WhatsApp on my new iPhone and with the iCloud backup, and later I downgrade my iCloud back to 5 GB free storage, will my WhatsApp chat histories and documents remain in the new phone or will it be erased? See, once you restore your data from iCloud backup, it will stay on your iPhone. Now when you delete iCloud backup, it will not affect anything on your iPhone. So your WhatsApp messages will still stay on your iPhone. It will not be affected by iCloud. When I click the 5 GB, it does not have anything that pop up and the done option is in gray. See guys, many people face this issue on their iPhone. What you can do is you can simply log out of your account on your iPhone and sign in again and see if that works. Another way is if you have another Apple device like your Mac, iPad, or you're using iCloud for Windows software on your PC, then you can try changing your iCloud storage plan from all these devices. And in most of the cases, when you tap on the 5 GB free plan and when it turns blue, you don't even have to tap on that done button if it is grayed out. It will still downgrade your plan in your next billing cycle, and that happens with many people. You can always call Apple service for this and they will definitely help you. Sharath says, I have recently brought 256 GB iPhone 11. By default, all the files are stored in iCloud, but how do I change it to my iPhone as it has 256 GB? You want to go into iPhone settings in iCloud section and you will see different toggles there. You want to keep toggle on only for those apps which you want to save data in iCloud. So it's all in your hand which apps you want to allow to save data in iCloud. So go ahead and go to iCloud settings on your iPhone, put those toggles off and it will not save data in iCloud. Everything will be on iPhone. But I would say messages, contacts, reminders, notes, keep this data in iCloud and it will still be under 5 GB, so it's good to have them in iCloud. Josh says, I accidentally bought the 200 GB plan instead of the 50 GB plan. I realized it was much more than necessary. I then wondered, does it change your billing from 3.99 to 0.99 immediately? No, this will not happen immediately. This will be effective from the next billing cycle. So your billing will change from the next billing cycle, not immediately. Ivana says, I just bought 200 GB plan for iCloud and I just realized I just only need buy 50 GB. That would be enough for me since I just have 34 of 200 GB. So if I downgrade from 200 to 50 GB, I don't need to delete anything, right? It would be 34 GB or 50 GB and I can see the change turn on next month after the bill 200 GB. Thank you. Yes, absolutely. When you're downgrading from 200 GB to 50 GB and it's only 34 GB that is being backed up to your iCloud, you can definitely downgrade to 50 GB and this will be effective from your next billing cycle. So definitely you can downgrade and you don't have to delete any data from your iCloud storage. Rishabh says, can I downgrade the iCloud storage without an iPhone? I changed my iPhone without downgrading. Yes, absolutely. You can change your iCloud storage plan without iPhone. What you need is you should have another Apple device like Mac, iPod Touch, iPad, sign in with the same Apple ID, or you can use Windows PC with iCloud for Windows software which is made by Apple. You can sign in with your Apple ID and then you can change your storage plan from there. Salim says, do I get my money back? No friend, you're not going to get your money back. You just want to cancel the plan and Apple will stop charging you from your next billing cycle. That's all. Antonia says, can you cancel the plan? Yes, you can cancel your plan anytime you want. So Shaifit says, so after you purchase it, it will continually charge you? What if you don't have the money every month? See guys, iCloud storage plan is not just a one-time payment thing. You have to pay every month based on your iCloud storage. So yes, when you go for iCloud storage plan, it will charge you every single month. Sherry says, would it be better to remove your photos from your iPhone onto something like photo stick and then delete your iCloud storage? Yes, you can keep your photos wherever you want and you can delete the iCloud storage plan, or you can keep your photos on your computer and you don't need iCloud storage plan. But if you're concerned with privacy, I would still say keep your photos in iCloud. Aya says, what about the charging? What did they charge you on the billing date? The 0.99 50 GB plan price or charged you nothing? Yes, they will charge you 0.99 for 50 GB or any other plan that you are buying. So it will charge you on the same day when you hit that buy button for iCloud storage plan. So it will charge you the same day. Iman says, if I do that, does photos on my phone be deleted or only the ones on iCloud? See, as I told you guys, you have an option to keep original copy of your photos and videos on your iPhone. You want to download all your photos and videos from iCloud first. Turn off the iCloud photo library and then you can delete the photos on your iCloud library separately on your PC. So you'll always have original photos and videos on your iPhone and then you can delete all your photos and videos from your iCloud. Jeff says, quick question, do I still get billed if I downgrade? No, not at all. You will not be charged when you downgrade to free 5 GB plan. From next billing date, you will not be charged. Christopher and Kristen says, so if I buy the 50 GB and downgrade, will all the pictures and videos get deleted? I don't understand if I'll keep them since it will take more space than what my iPhone has. Also, is the 50 GB for only one device or all devices? Cause I have an iCloud account with my family and I don't want to link my photos to iCloud. See, I'll answer this question in two parts. See, when you downgrade, you'll have 30 days to download your photos and videos. It will not be deleted immediately. So you have that span of 30 days. You can go to iCloud website on your computer and download all your photos and videos manually. So when you downgrade, it will not delete your photos and videos immediately. You have 30 days to download them. And 50 GB you can use across all your devices signed in with the same Apple ID. So your family members may not be able to use that 50 GB if they are signed in with a different Apple ID. You need 200 GB or 2 TB plan for your family members to use that iCloud storage. Valentina says, let's say we want to downgrade to 5 GB. Will all those photos that has been saved to iCloud 50 GB disappear? As I said earlier guys, your photos and videos will not delete from iCloud immediately. You have 30 days span. Go ahead and download all your photos and videos to your PC manually. Ash says, so I just bought 50 GB right now for this month. And if I cancel it, does that mean my 50 GB will go too? Yes, absolutely. Once you buy and cancel it, it will be back to 5 GB free plan. So you have to keep paying every month if you want to use that 50 GB. So that's all for today guys. I picked up these questions from the comment section. So if you want to ask me a question, make sure you use that hashtag AskFriendlyVikas and that will help me to filter out your question quickly and reach out to you as early as possible. I hope this video was helpful. Take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, and I'm Vikas signing off for the day. I'll see you guys in the next one.